How to fix locked Snapchat account. Has your account been locked on Snapchat? Well, let me guide you on how to fix it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain or guide you on how you can unlock your locked Snapchat account. First thing is, go to your web browser on your device and search for Snapchat support. Now, once you type and search for it, you will find the Snapchat support link. Go to it and here tap on the third option, My account is compromised. Now, once you click here, you will get an option to submit a request. Select the particular option. For now, I'll do I can't access my account, or I think my account was compromised. Once you do it, if your account has been compromised, you can see the following option. Now type in your username, the email that was connected, and the mobile number it was synced with, and give a little description here, and then you can submit your report, and this way Snapchat will get back to you. Hope this will help you. Do like and subscribe for more, and leave down a comment below if you have any further issues.